What's going on? It's Bobby K, professional landscape designer and installer, and I want to share with you some really cool water feature trends for this 2020 season. Picture number one, if you like Star Wars, I know you're gonna like this because this thing looks like the Death Star. What I love about this is that it's a really cool sphere that's got a lot of texture on it. The water comes up through, it recycles down, and it just trickles on through all these crevices. And then if you have lighting that shines up on there, you're gonna see all the different intricate pieces of this water feature. Super low maintenance, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Picture number two, this is a very similar looking bubbler. However, the shape is more like an urn. What I want you to take away from this is the material that these are now made of. It's like a hard plastic. So if you live in like a really frigid climate where you're gonna get negative temperatures, this is something that can be out all year round. Whereas if you have the ceramic urns, most of the time they're gonna be okay, but in time, hairline cracks and weather, expansion, contraction can have a little bit of an effect on them. So this is a product that I recommend for just about anybody because you can put it anywhere. Picture number three, we are onto the urn that is a ceramic, but what I love about this is how it is used. This is your typical water feature where you've got the waterfall, goes down into either a pondless or a pond, and it cycles back up. Instead of it having a basin with the spillway and coming right and hitting right off the rocks, we're going up through an urn. It comes down the urn, it fills up the basin, and then it goes down. It's just another way to up the game and make it look really, really cool and different than everybody else's pond and waterfall. Picture number four, this is my absolute favorite. I think this is so cool how they took a couple of them and strung them together, and then basically what it is it bubbles up, it sifts off the sides, it goes down into the basin, then you've got the decking coming up to it. It's just a really clean, contemporary look. I love the vibe that it puts out. I can almost imagine just sitting in a chair out there having my coffee and just this beautiful tranquil sounds going on. It's just something that I think everybody should have some type of water feature in their backyard, and if I was to pick one, this would be the one. So there you go, there's some low maintenance water features where you don't have to do a bunch and they look fantastic. They're gonna set any place off. If you like this kind of series, you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the alarm bell. Our final part of our 2020 landscaping trends is coming out very soon. That's the one that I'm most excited about because it has to deal with creating privacy and keeping your neighbors out from looking at you all the time, right? Well, what's that? Stay tuned.